Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I will give the information about how you can write the essay in placement test, because when I was in placement test at that time I failed because I don't know how to write the essay. And now recently I just completed my first semester in George Brown and I learned how to write the essay because I was in foundation English course. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So let's start from how many paragraphs you need to write. So 5 paragraph is compulsory to write in your essay, and the word is almost around 500 if you write 5 paragraphs, so maybe it is almost reach to 500 words, and it is good. So before start to write essay, you need to make one outline which is help you to save your time, and you can easily show your ideas in your essay and you get good grade. So now let's start from introduction. So in introduction you need to write one 3-point thesis which is main the part of this essay, because the 3-point thesis statement I will show you, but before that just I will share you a little bit information. So let's start from introduction. In introduction you need to write 3 to 4 sentences. So first sentence is your general sentence. After that you need to write one sentence on your essay topic. After that you need to add one surprising sentence. After that, end of the introduction you need to write 3-point thesis statement. So as you can see that in screen, is Ontario doing enough to prevent the spread of COVID-19? This is the sentence of essay. We need to write essay on this topic, and as you can see that the blue text which is the surprising sentence, and the last sentence which is green color, and that is the 3-point thesis sentence. Before that I will show you outline which is help you how to write essay. Let's start from essay outline. So first one is thesis statement. Ontario government is taking enough care to save people from COVID-19. So now the 3-point will start. First one is by imposing new rules and guidelines for public health measures. Second one, spreading awareness. So I write essay of third paragraph only on spreading awareness, and the third body paragraph which is on increasing number of testing per day. So this is the 3 simple point, and which is show you in my upcoming paragraph. So let's start from body 1. Before that let's back to our essay. So as you can see that let's start, I compare it. Okay, so as you can see that I wrote one general sentence in the starting of this introduction. After that the surprising sentence, as I said you, but would the Ontario government give more attention to public health, which is very important for your essay. And after the end of this introduction you need to write thesis statement. As you can see, the Ontario government is taking enough care to save people from COVID-19, and it is same to same I wrote here. So now let's start from body paragraph 1. So I wrote one simple sentence. New rules and regulation help people how to survive in this pandemic. So as you can see that the health department readily gave a complete guideline and also some regulation to prevent the increasing spread of the virus across the province. You can also paraphrase your line, and whatever you whatever you want to change you can. So this is just one outline which is help you to write in your essay. So now next one is your supporting detail. So you need to write a supporting detail in your essay, and also it is very easy. And as you know that we all write in our IELTS essay this kind of thing. So it is simple, not very difficult. So I wrote just some lines, as you can see that wear a mask in public place, keep social distance, wash hand frequently, ban on social gathering of more than 10 people. So this is just a point which I wrote, and also this all point you can see in my essay. As you can see that washing hand frequently, minimum 2 meter distance, that means the social distance. Next one is wearing a mask, as you can see that the first point. Next one is here more than 10 people, closing next one is closing school and college, as you can see that last sentence. And also I wrote one APA. You do not need to write APA in your essay, so we neglect it. Now next one is body paragraph 2. Nowadays government use different platforms such as advertisement to spread awareness among people. As you can see that the spread awareness among people, which I wrote in introduction. So just wrote 4 to 5 point in your supporting detail. Social media, advertising on radio, television, hoardings in public place, spelling is wrong, advertisement in public transit like bus and train. So as you can see that here on second paragraph, spreading awareness among citizens. So if you wrote this kind of essay and detail, so it is show your essay is perfect and you are not out of topic. So as you can see that advertisement on radio, public transit, hoardings on road. So these all things you need to write in your body paragraph, and which is very easy to write your essay and which is help you. Next one is body paragraph 3. Government had opened a new test center, as I said, the third point, thesis point. So as you can see that in here green text, the government had opened a new test center like rapid test, and also the 3 supporting details. Open new rapid test center, as you can see that here rapid test. Next one is increase the number of tests, and you can see that by increasing the increasing number of tests. Next one is more people get diagnosed. So if we increase if government increase the number of center, it is help to people. So now that is the third body paragraph. Also I wrote one other paragraph on argument. If you want to write, you can. Last one is conclusion. I do not write the outline for conclusion for in this essay. So now I will show you one more essay, so which is help you to easily understand. So let's start. So as you can see that 1003 is the Code of Foundation English course. So as I told you, 3-point thesis, 4 to 5 body paragraphs, supporting details, and you need to write here as the finish outline for 5 to 6 paragraphs. So now let's start from our essay. So this is the topic, as you can see that. So now you need to write 3-point thesis statement. As I told you, there are many strategies that can help student to remove stress. Among them, some are focusing on interest, that is my first paragraph. Second one is doing physical activity, and third one is spend time with kith and kins. So topic sentence 1, as I focus on interest, so that's why people have different interest like reading, traveling, playing video games like that. And also I wrote some student become it does not let student become bored if student do their interest activity. Next one is physical activity such as jogging, dancing, yoga. Next one is group activities. And third, my paragraph is on spend time with our friends and family members. So I wrote 3 points, and also in conclusion at that time I wrote 2 sentences. There are some steps to overcome or completely remove stress from life. So this is the one sentence. And also one more sentence is, when students do not follow the schedule and do not complete their work on time, so maybe they get the stress. So now I will show you the rubric, which is also help you to get a good grade. As you can see that for outline you get from 1 to 5, maybe on focus on development, structure, organization, grammar, that all things. So this is my essay which I wrote on according to my outline. So now this is the end of today's tutorial. I wish it is help you to crack the placement test and you get a good grade in your placement test. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I will meet in new tutorial. Thank you.